Hi, I'm Lawrence Meyer, founder of PX4, chairman of the Drone Code Foundation, and co-founder and CEO of Auterion. At Auterion, we provide enterprises with an ecosystem of software-defined drones, payloads, and apps within a single easy-to-use platform based on PX4. Essentially, PX4 enables anyone building a drone to harness advanced flight capabilities. It's an incredible technical shortcut that lets you focus on your product development instead of toiling with endless amounts of code. Powering these game-changing autonomous drones is no small feat, so we turn to ARM-based CPUs to be our processors of choice. Apart from ARM Cortex-M based flight controllers in most drones, the PX4 software platform runs on Linux-capable ARM Cortex-A processors. This allows drones to employ advanced operations like payload control, autonomy, computer vision, object detection, machine learning, and LTE and 5G connectivity. With the click of a button, you can send a drone to perform solar panel inspections, forest firefighting, search and rescue operations, disaster response initiatives, medical emergency missions. The possibilities are endless. Perhaps the most important factor in our whole operation is that it's all open source. In time, we envision our open source software ecosystem to include a vast array of autonomous robots, from weather tracking sentinels to cargo delivery solutions. With the help of ARM, there's really no telling how high we can go. Powering operating systems for your autonomous fleet and offering open source access that enables drones to create a better, safer world, made possible by ARM.